Hello, good morning. Today is Sunday. Yesterday I have done two videos about short selling, and someone told me that his broker told him that he can't short that stock. Okay, yes. Here how to short. When you go to your broker platform and you want to short stock, so you hit sell, because you don't do buy, because buy, it means you buy long, it means you think that the stock is going up. Now if you think the stock is going down, you hit sell. Okay, when you hit sell, sometimes the broker has no stock available to give it to you. Okay, so you are borrowing the stock. So you understand now? You are borrowing the stock and you sell it. Now if you sell it at that price, after 1 day or 2 days or 1 hour or 2 hours or 1 month, wherever you want, if it goes down and you cover your stock, what does it mean? It means you buy it again from the market, and when you buy it, it means it goes directly to the broker. Okay, so you are just borrowing some shares and give it back. And if you are successful, if you are right with the market, you will make money. And most of the time shorting is very quick, and you can have too much money, because in shorting we have double action. Okay, it's not like going up. Going up, we have only one action. What is it? It's only buying. People who buys, if there are a lot of people buying, or there is one who is very big, like mutual fund or hedge fund, he is buying, you see that the stock is going up very quickly. Okay, that's it. Now for shorting, we have two actions. We have someone who is selling because he has a profit, or he has a loss. It depends. But most of the time, someone big, let's say someone bought stock at $10, excuse me, and then the stock, let's say, goes to $20, so he has 100% profit from this stock. Okay, maybe he stays 6 months or 1 year or 2, depends. And then he set a day where he wants to sell. This day has nothing to do with the company. That's why people, they don't understand the market as the professional do. Okay, you don't ask someone who is selling why you sell. What is your reason? There are thousands of traders in the trade. So why you are looking for a reason? There is no reason. He just want to sell. For example, for me, I buy today 1,000 shares of a stock. After a few minutes, I don't like it, I sell it. So why you ask me why you sell, and you go to analysts to search to find it. This is how the market plays against the beginners. The beginners, they don't know where they are going. They don't know where the stock is heading, and they go, they sell, they buy, they stay, they hold, and always is a mess. Okay, so when someone is selling, others will follow by shorting. Okay, you see, it's double action. Someone is selling, and the other, especially day traders, especially the floor traders. Now why we say floor traders? Floor traders, because in exchanges like New York Exchange, or the market makers in Nasdaq, what they do when they see someone is selling because the stock is dropping very quickly, they see large amount of shares sold. They know. It's very easy, okay? You just in the morning you see that the stock is going, is sold very quick. The stock was 50. In a few minutes it goes to 45, 40. It means thousands of shares are sold. Now, the day traders, what they do, they follow this and they short it again. Now, for them it's a piece of cake. That's why when the investors are crying, because they go only one way to the market, they go only up. All the investors, most of them, okay? But when the stock is going down, they lose a lot of money and they can't sell because they have too much in the stock. And that's why a lot of investors in the market, especially when they have only a few stocks and they get hit, they can lose a lot of money. That's why all what I say about when you want to go for long, like for many years, 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, it's preferable not to allocate a lot to single stocks, okay? This is money management. This is the risk that you have, okay? So, as I told you, there are double actions. Some people are selling and others are shorting the stock. Wherever it goes, yeah, the people who have short stock, they cover at the end of the day. That's why you see the stock price going up at the end of the day, because these are the day traders, okay? They buy again. Some people they are following this and they buy long for a few minutes, half an hour, 1 hour, and they get some money, $1 or $2 or $3. Especially when the stock has gone too much down. Okay, so certain times your broker has no stock available for you. So if you are following a stock, you should call your broker and you ask him, okay, I want to short some stocks, and you can give him names, okay, of these stocks, and he will tell you that they have, you can, or they don't have. Okay, don't let at the last minute and you want to short the stock, and then it says you make a plan and you are ready, and then you want to execute the trade, and then they told you, oh no, you can't, and you call the broker at that time and you lose time, you lose money. So it's not a good thing. Okay, this is just to add for the information for short selling. And if you have another question, please ask. Okay, please ask, because short selling is more for professional than for beginners. You can do it, but I ask all the beginners, if you want to do it during the day, from 9:30 to 4 o'clock. You do it the day and you close your position. Don't let it to next day, because next day maybe there is a good earnings or good news for the company, and the company goes up too much, and you end up with a margin call, and the broker calls you and you say, okay, we need our money because your stock is against you and you lost a lot of money, and you should give us more money, and you will be in trouble. Okay, you'll be in trouble because you can't. So so the way you do business is you should always think about the risk before you do a trade. This is how the professional traders do. Okay, anyone who is professional, he thinks about the risk before he thinks about the profit. The profit takes care of itself. If the stock is going up, you don't do nothing. The stock is going up and you are making money. But when it goes down, if you are going up and it goes down, you should exit the trade. You can't just let it like this and you say, oh, I will wait till tomorrow. How do you know tomorrow will be worse than today? If you lose 100 or 200 today, You can lose 500 or 1,000 tomorrow. Okay? Don't be naive. Don't hope for it. You should do what is right always. When you are wrong, say to yourself, I am wrong, I exit. That's why we put stop loss without thinking. How do you know that you are wrong? You put your stop loss, and then you are in a trade. Next morning you are not in the trade because the price hit your stop loss and you are out. So you are happy because if you stay, you will lose that much money. Okay? So thank you very much. If you have any questions, just ask.